Okay, all my wire leads are in place for my LED cam lighting. All my soffit is tightened up. My wires are in line.
It's supposed to be on its own.
I know, that don't make no sense why that's like that. Because anything I do is good. Anything I do is good. Let me tell you. Oh yeah.
Look, see this one here? Right there.
I already know.
They jumped off of the furnace.
Dude, I already know. I already took out all kinds of junk. Are you
Here's
kidding me?
power to the furnace right here.
I already know. Look, I already took out all kinds of junk. Got this all ready to do the ceilings and the walls. Got every wire, everything stapled, everything connected. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure everything's always stapled and tucked, no matter what you do. That's what we do. No matter what you do. That's what we do. No matter what you do. No matter what you do. Oh, look at this. This is what we do. Yeah. Then we got it all set up for the can lights or the LED lights with the loops stapled all the way around. All the way around. Nice that we got all this drywall in here. Look at all this 12-foot drywall for the lids already in here and in place. It was almost hard to be able to get in here. Like, it was a little hard on the heads. Yeah. Wait until you see this come alive, everybody. Please like, share, subscribe. Look how straight our work is. Look at that. Look at that. Look down that wall. My goodness. Look at that. As it's supposed to be, huh? Till next time. That's all you need to know.